Hello guys, how to hide all Facebook photos, how to hide all your posts, media, videos on your Facebook page. And to do so, first launch Facebook on your iPhone or any other devices, and here go to Facebook settings page. Simply as per your device, tap on three dot, and under profile settings tap on profile and tap on it, and here go to tagging. Who can see posts you are tagged in on your profile? Tap on it, and here four option you can find, and here choose more and choose only me. Now your all posts, media and other Facebook posts, your shared posts will be visible only for you. No one can see your posts. So just one click and you can hide your photos, videos, medias. Who can post on your profile? You can also choose only me, and no one can post on your Facebook page. Same other, who can see what others post on your profile? Only me. This is only me settings of your Facebook profile. Facebook. No one can post, neither read